Hello and welcome to Maths by SAS. This is my 8th lesson of D2, chapter number 2, exercise 2E, that is about solving simultaneous linear equations. The lesson is based on the application of substitution method or elimination method. If the examiner has not specified the method in the question, then you can choose the method which is most suitable for you. Okay, in question number 5, we have to use the elimination method. Let me read the question from the book first and compare the question. Question is 10x minus 3y equals to 24.5 and 3x minus yy equals to 13.5. If we look at the coefficients of x and y in both the equations, we can see that both the variables are not having the same coefficients. Okay, so we need to balance the coefficient of any one of the variables. So what I will be doing, I will be preferring the balancing of coefficient of y. So what I have to do is that I will be multiplying. Basically, I have to take the LCM of these two numbers, that is 3 and 5, and LCM is 15. So what I will be doing, I will be multiplying this equation by 5, and the second equation I will be multiplying that by 3 in order to make the coefficients of y balance or same. So when I will be multiplying 10 by 5, so the equation will take the form 10 5s are 50x minus 5 3s is 15y equals to 24.5 multiplied by 5. 24.5 multiplied by 5 will give you 122.5. Now coming to the second equation, that is 3x minus yy equals to 13.5. We are multiplying this equation by 3. So when 3 will be multiplied by 3, it will give me 9x minus 15y equals to 13.5 multiplied by 3, and that is 40.5. Now what we have to do, we have to look at the coefficients of y. They are 15 in both the equations with negative sign. So recall the rule that same coefficient, same sign, what are we going to do? We have to subtract both the equations. So what I will be doing, I'll be changing the sign of second equation and I will be solving the question with new signs. So 50 minus 9 will give me 41x. Now coming to the y term, we can see that y has minus sign here and y has the positive sign. So we have the same coefficient, opposite signs, so we can remove y here and I will have only x with me. Now what I have to do, I have to take away 40.5 from 122.5. 122.5 minus 40.5, this will give me 82. So in order to get value of x, what we have to do, we have to shift this 41 to other side. 82 by 41. Now read the table of 41. 2 1s are and 2 2s are, 41 1s are and 41 2s are. So the value of x, which is one of the variable of the question, is 2. Now what we have to do, after getting the value of this variable, replace x equals to 2 in equation 1. Replace x equals to 2. X equals to 2 in equation 1. So equation 1, so this is my equation 1. Equation 1, and this is the equation 2. It's good to give these type of references in your working for the examiner. So equation will take the form 10x minus 3y equals to 24.5. Insert x by 2, replace or substitute. These are the different words that you can use in the lesson. 10 into 2 minus 3y equals to 24.5. 10 times 2 is 20 minus 3y equals to 24.5. Shift 20 to other side. 20 to other side. minus 3y equals to 24.5 minus 20, and when I will be taking away 20 from 24.5, I will left with 4.5. okay, yes, this is 4.5. In order to get value of y, I have to shift this minus sign to other side, minus 3 to other side, 4.5 by minus 3. For some time, forget about the decimal, 45, 15. I hope this will be 1.5. 4.5 divided by 3 is minus 1.5. So the value of y is minus 1.5. Very easy questions. So the solution for this problem is x equals to 2 and y equals to minus 1.5. I hope these questions are really easy and you are following and understanding these questions well. Let me move to the next part of the question, and the next part is, let me confirm the question from the book. 6x plus 5y equals to 10.5 and 5x minus 3y equals to minus 2. Again, what we have to do, we have to look at the coefficients of x and y in both the equations. We can see the coefficient of x in first equation is 6 and in the second equation is 5. The coefficient of y in the first equation is 5 while in the second equation is minus 3. So both the variables are not having the same coefficient. Any one of the variable is not having the same coefficient. What we have to do, we have to balance the coefficient of any one of the variable. So for that, you have to choose the variable wisely. If I'm choosing the y term, we can see that here we have y with positive sign and negative. Here we have the y with negative sign, so we can have less working in this way. So what I will be doing, let this be equation 1 and this is equation 2. What I will be doing, I will be taking both the equations one by one. 6x plus 5y is equal to 10.5 and 5x minus 3y equals to minus 2. So what we have to do, we can multiply equation 1 by 3 because the LCM of 3 and 5 is 15 and I have to turn this 5 to 15. So I have to multiply this equation by 3, and coming to the second equation, I have to multiply that equation by 5. Now the question will take the form 6 3s is 18x plus 5 3s are 15y equals to 10.5 multiplied by 3. Multiplied by 3, this will give me 31.5. 31.5. Coming to the second equation, 5 times 5 is 25. X minus 15y equals to 5 times 2 is 10 with minus sign. Now, if we look at the coefficients of y in both the equations, we can see the coefficient of y in the first equation is positive 15 and in the second equation is minus 15. Same coefficient, opposite sign. What we have to do, we just have to add up the equations. So I can remove this y here and I will left with x term with me. Now I have to add up both the numbers. 8 plus 5 is 13 and 2 plus 1 is 3 plus 1 4. 43x equals to I have to take away 10 from 31.5. 31.5 minus 10 will give me 21.5. 21.5. So in order to get value of x, shift 43 to other side. 21.5 upon 43. Okay, divide 43 by 21.5 divided by 43. 43 will give me 0.5. So x will be equal to 0.5. 21, it means 21 plus 21 is 42. Yes, it will be half. So the value of x will be 0.5. Now what we have to do, we have to replace this value of x in any one of the equations, and preferably I'll be taking equation 1, replace x equals to 0.5 in equation 1. So the equation will take the form 6x plus 5y equals to 10.5. 6 into 0.5 plus 5y equals to 10.5. 6 multiplied by 0.5 is 0.5, means half. 0.5 by 10, or 5 ones are 5 twos are, this is 1 by 2. So if you find it difficult, you can replace it by 1 by 2 plus 5y equals to 10.5. 2 ones are and 2 threes are. 3 plus 5y equals to 10.5. Now shift 3 to other side. This will be 5y equals to 10.5 minus 3. This will give me 10 minus 3 is 7. 7.5 equals to 5y. Now in order to get value of y, shift 5 to other side. 7.5 upon 5, 75 divided by 5, 15 or 1.5. So okay, and y value will be 1.5. So the values of unknown of this situation, this question, are x equals to 0.5 or 1 by 2, or this is 1.5, x equals to 1.5. I hope you are clear about this lesson. For next difficulty level, please catch me in the next class. Watch my lessons, like, share and subscribe the channel, and press bell icon to get the notification of every lesson in time. Thank you very much.